this is MJ, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unwind your hank. I'm using my yarn swift from WeCrochet and my ball winder from Knitter's Pride. So with our ball winder we get this beautiful little cake, and it has a center pole which is perfect for working on all of your projects so you don't get tangled. And here are the hanks I'll be using today. They're Sugarbush Yarns Rapture. And I have all of these colors available in my shop. Okay, so first off, I want to screw this to my island. Now you could use a table, and it just screws on here. So next we can start, as you can see, this can push way out. I like to kind of start with it not too far out until I get the hank on. So we also have another screw here, so you just tighten that up. Okay, so I have a hank here. I'm just gonna take off the label. And you just want to untwist it. We're going to leave, you can see that it's secured. I want to leave that on. And you just kind of want to run your fingers through it just to get, you know, that it's not twisted. Next, I'm going to go over and I'm going to place this now on the Swift. If you don't have a Swift, you could always place two chairs back to back. So one back of your chair on this side, one back on this side, push them apart until you have it nice and tight so that you can unroll it that way. You just want to try and make sure that we don't twist it. So you just want to go sort of around with your fingers and just make sure you haven't twisted it. And then we just want to tighten it up. Make sure that's nice and snug. So the next step is we're going to cut the thread. And now you'll notice that you're going to have two pieces. And what we need to figure out is which piece is going to go to the outside of the hank and which one goes to the inside. And sometimes it seems like both of them go to the inside, so what you want to do is kind of see. Okay, so once I've pulled them back, I can see this one's going to the outside. This one is on the inside. So I'm just gonna wind that back up. And just tuck that in. So this is the piece we're gonna work with. Now, if you don't have a ball winder, you could just start going into a ball on your hand, and this will just spin as you go. If you have a ball winder, I'm going to go through that with you next. Okay, so here's my ball winder that I have. There's all different types. So this also I've screwed onto my island so that it's nice and secure. So here is where I'm going to thread the yarn through. So I take my end that I've already figured out, it's going to wind properly. And then what you want to do is just put that through. And then you put it in here. And this is going to give you your center pull, which is what I love about having the ball winder, is that I will have a center pull. Here's my handle to start spinning. Start off fairly slow just to kind of get it going around. And then you spin, and I'm just going to change the camera angle so that you can see how the Swift now and the winder are working together. Okay, so here it is finished. You can just kind of secure that end just into the cake. And then here is your center pull.